Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is saying that if you continue to follow with the things that Ashanti is doing, then it's a possibility that you may go to hell. She's saying that it's not right because of the things that he's doing. She's allegedly, saying a few things about him, that allegedly he pushed his mom down, and other things. Now, for you to hear more about what Marcia has to say about this situation, then you would have to go and watch a video and listen to what she has to say. Now, today, Marcia was greeted by some people that was at our hotel while she was eating. And this lady just walked over to her and was speaking, to her and telling her a little about herself, about she was what she did in the past and how, she's flying now. And she and Marcia cooked up a little conversation in just a short while. And Marcia explains that wherever she goes, people are attracted to her. They come to her and speak to her about things that you know, they would have told someone that they knew. And so Marcia is loved everywhere she goes. She's a magnet to people coming up to her and speaking with her. So, guys, as I said before, for you to know what it's in this video, just go ahead and watch the video. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And have yourselves a wonderful afternoon.
360. Name Ashanti 360. You know, go hell. You don't have to stop supporting madness over YouTube. I am letting you genuinely know that there is evidence, physical evidence, paperwork, documented paperwork, that he have a mental problem. He's bipolar. Certified bipolar. And that is how bipolar people behave. And he's also a drug addict. He take drugs. He snip drugs, mash up stuff and sniff it. He's a drugs addict. He doesn't work. He's a tormented soul. So I'm just letting you know that on a serious note, this is a mental case right there over there. So not because you see him talk certain things, I'm letting you know he is sick. And not only that he's sick in his mind, he's also sick physically also too. Him no work. I'm letting you guys know on a serious level. He's bipolar. And he's a drug addict. He doesn't sleep and him have a problem. So me I let you know, say, if you not continue to follow that boy, you not reach, you not going to hell. Me I tell you straight up. Him not know no better. Him not know no better. He's a sick individual. Him mad head sick now good, me I tell you. And it's only God alone have to strike him down. And yes, it's only because if me if strike him down, me I go to hell. So it's God alone have to go fix him. Me not lie. So if you don't want to sit there and listen to him, you don't go to hell. But you cannot feed him. You have to go over there and tell him, say, go seek some help. Make him go to a professional and get some help. Anybody will say push down your mama, no good. Him push down your mama. When I try to take your mama pill them and mama take a pill them from him push down your mama. So him banned from going in mother yard. He's banned from going around his mother. He can't go back in mother yard. Because every time he go and take a mama pill, mama is a cancer survivor. So me say let you know. Him banned. He can't even go in mother. So, una cannot sit over listen. Him cannot even go around his mother. Una notice him not go mother in a long time. Remember sometimes the guy mother cook the food in his mother house. Una notice him not go mother. Him push down his mama. Him push down his mama. Because mama try to take a pill them from him and he get mad. And tell him mama some breed a nasty word. So he's cursed. Him push down his mama. Wicked boy. No why you can't click gun off for me. Because I not tap until you get that rotted revoke and take it from you. Because you're not supposed to have no gun by you. You're a psychopath. You're a bitch ass boy. With your little mad self. Go sit down. Go to your psychiatrist. Go get the treatment. Fuck them. Oh. When she come back, her phone bill cut off, she don't have nowhere to go. Pussy. Me in one of the biggest hotel in New York City. A jacket suit people served me this morning in a jacket suit. You're pussy, you. A jealous. And the only thing you can do is to walk in an establishment and show a camera. You can't show in a bed. You can't show you eating a breakfast. You can't show nothing. Batty boy, go sit down. Batty boy, go sit down. Use a nutcase. Go look a fucking job. Go sell your batty. And go sell some food and sell and come for my name. You could have my son picture up. Yes, him got jail for a few hours and come out for the little situation. And me tell anybody already, any one of my pitney in the future, grand pitney, any blood clot girl touch them. And once you tell them, say, I'm not stop. And you lick back them blood clot. And defend themselves. And my son never got prison yet. Like a misdemeanor stuff. Driver's license are bullshit things. I don't care what you want to say. If you think that can't stop me from come up and tell you ways they make a sad mistake. A lot of who know right now, you got jail. You got jail back in the days. I expunge your record, get expunged, batty boy. How you did you get your house back in the days? You was a drugs dealer, bitch. You not sell drugs, ganja and crack on road. You get your record expunged. You're not bad. You can't tell nobody about no jail. You got jail before. Move from your son and go sit down. You like a sissy. You want somebody stuff a bloody pad in your mouth. And that you need. And put you up in your nose hole or your eye. And that you need. And throw some piss by you. And drench you with some shit. You're nobody. You can't call my pitney. You move for you like a batty boy son. You see your crosses. You look on you. You see a batty boy son you have. Because you're a batty man yourself. So you produce a batty boy son. Go ahead. You see how you talk. You don't see. Look how you talk for your man. Your blood clot sound like you need trachea in your throat hole. You don't see you can't talk good. Eh? You look a dirty girl. Go suck Ashanti 360. You a bitch ass girl, boy, you live at Queens. Make my son catch you. Dirty boy Ashanti 360. You see what God they serve. And make me catch you. I give you a blood clot piece of Jackie Chan. That's what me say. Make me give a catch you. Any day me catch you, me I give you a Jackie Chan. If I made the first day, me go to prison in America, a jail in America, me go to jail for you. I give you a blood clot Jackie Chan and flip on Bruce Lee. And that what I give you. Make sure any day me I catch you and me wine in one pants. I just, you know, me I love to kick up my foot. Boop! One blood clot kick in your chest. And drop you. Idiot boy. With your fucking teeth there long like a Dracula. Where you go find some wild donkey in the woods to go suck out them blood. Idiot boy. Come over there about you did a click gun. I want that blood clot gunshot right in your foot, in your balls. And Donny. With your little blood clot false dick cell suck pussy boy. Your tongue full of parasite. Go doctor. Your mouth stink. Everybody will grooming say your mouth is very stink. That's why you give the woman parasite in her pussy. Make sure you have to go to a doctor. Date the last time. Your mouth stink. You know, your Anne Marie says stiffest thing you have in your mouth is your tongue. And right now, you not stiff, probably not stiff no more weak. Because you chat too fucking much. You need somebody put some blood clot pepper on it. Eh? With your little parasite tongue. Came out of blood clot germs. You come out of you chat too much. Everybody chat too much. You chat too much. With your little shit mouth. You suck too much pussy. Your pussy full of a cobweb. and custard. Move fire. You must look at your tongue. Your tongue must be white and rusted clot. That's your sound. So to must steal pussy down near your throat hole. Go ahead. Or not give me like a way. Me done the little dirty boy. Eh? Or excuse me that me done up a little dirty batty boy. I'm making go sit down. With your little penicillin blood clot tongue. Move fire, so. And go sit down. Fuck him out, think like a hack shit. Go ahead. But you come on social media with your little stretch pussy girl, pan queens. Go look at life, bitch. You can't live like me. Me free and single and disengaged. I can go anywhere in the world. Right now, if I just want to just pack 2 suitcases and go for 3, 4, 5 months, me gone. Your blood clot can't live like me. Motherfucker, bitch ass girl. All I have to do is to just pack my suitcase and go business anywhere in the world and come back, you know. That's how me live right now, you know. As long as me only have to pay $300 in a storage, you know. Me not pay a light bill, me not pay a gas bill, me not pay none of that, you know. Everywhere me live is included. Me can't go anywhere in the world to live right now. I can go anywhere to come back. As long as my $300 pay in the storage, me go to go. Because me no own a gas bill, me no own a light bill, me no own none of them sort of something. What me and if me and all me have to pay is my truck insurance. My truck is paid for, and if I go away, all me have to do is to take away the insurance off my truck and park up in a baby for the house until I get back. Oh, no bitch ass can't live like me. Go live in a life. I can go anywhere, go live and come back. You can't do it. You can't do it. And that is what I born to know. That is what I born here. Friday now, your motherfucker probably at work. I'm in a nice pussy-clad hotel. Well, nice and relaxed. Looking out at the fabulous New York City. Yes, my dear. Looking out at the fabulous New York City, honey. Yes, my dear. I'm in a nice hotel relaxing. I mean, what are you doing, motherfucker? Sucking some dick. I'm telling you. I mean, a nice. Look at me. Look. Looking out nice New York City. Come, people. Where is the people? I'm in Aruba and all over the world. Look at nice New York City. Look there. Look at the nice New York City. Look there. Big pussy girl where you there. I cook big for your blood clot man when I want you. People man where you take. Dirty girl. Big pussy dirty girl from Queens where you calling for a show about whatever who you is. Mind me have to come. Mind me have to take my thugs them from Connecticut, you know. Come down to you, you know. Batty girl. Big up no pussy girl. Mind me have to take my people them from Connecticut and come. You want come challenge me, bitch? Me not afraid of you. And what you want to say, no people you bad? Come show me your badness. Cause me can show you mine too. Me not ask you. You want me make 2 blood clot phone call at Connecticut and you want to come test me, bitch? Connecticut man, them are ramping. Every day a boy get shot at Connecticut. No, me not ask you, know. Every day a boy get shot in a Hartford. Me not ask you. If that pussy come Hartford, don't get a good beat now. Me not ask you. So where you want to come to challenge me? You know only can't chat, you know. You know Marcia, you know. Yeah, you understand? If me call some name right now, your blood clot tremble. Me not ask you. So me say let you know. So big pussy girl, where you want to come to test me right as in a Queens, him have a link everywhere. Me not ask you. Me tell you, so me not chat to no regular man. Me make sure me chat to man who can protect me. So bitch. Me there right here, so. You know which part me there. The other day, me there over here, so. Over this side here. Me there over the more bigger side now. You want to come test me, bitch? Did you wake up this morning with no people in a jacket suit serve you and come pick up a plate from you? Did you wake up to that? No, you didn't. Go shut your little stinking pussy girl self and go sit down. With your little batty, leaky batty boy. 300, 360. Go sit down, girl. Una too fucking bad mind. Go live, because you can't do like me. Me not ask you. Me free as a blood clot bird. Go about your business, bitch. But you call her talk about, oh, she talk about credit card, she paid, and the woman call her and tell her, woman call and tell you, I never met Katy in all my life. More than I met her at the Aruba airport. When she see me, I say, and Marcia this. And Marcia this. And she said, wow, my gosh, Marcia, me want a picture with you. And she took a video. Me have the video, me never post the video because she didn't have on the proper clothes. I remember say my family friend and my family friend and her brother when me and him come down on the same flight. Where him call me and tell me because him was on the phone when she was having the difficult when Nadine called him to tell him happy birthday because Nadine birthday the 6th and FEMA the 7th. And him text me in the early morning in a messenger and said, Marcia, Nadine died. Me never hear from that person in my life. More in text from Facebook. Otherwise, when in come at my house, come pick up something, for drop off something for Nadine. For me. I think in come drop off something, come pick up something from me one time. For post off for Nadine. For whatever. At the first me ever meet him. At the first me ever text me on social media. Me and him come from the same place. And when he text me in a messenger in the morning, me say, which Nadine you talk about? He text me dry. And say, Marcia, Nadine Young die. Me say, which Nadine Young you talk about? Why you lie to me for? No, me say to him, me say, which Nadine Young? Him say, your friend. So me take up the phone and call him in a messenger. Me say, why you lie to me for? Him say, but I wouldn't lie to you like that. The daughter, them just call me and tell me, say, Nadine die. Me say, no, go so. Me say, give me the number. And give me the daughter-in-law number. And me call the daughter-in-law on WhatsApp and she confirm it. How is it now the lady a roba? Tell me. And at first me I met the lady in my life. Yeah? You come over there and talk about how Nadine people them send me ticket and this. Tell me, Nadine people them send me buy ticket. Them work in a travel agency. Them say, oh, I want to look at pussy old people. Eh? What the girl over the years and she talk about so she cancel the hotel and a lie she tell and this. Listen to me. My supporters are one thing me don't lie. I one thing with me I don't lie. I have to use that money in the future. In the future. Me say I have to cancel the hotel. Because Katy told me, Marcia, you're too far from the funeral. You're too far from the funeral. And she carried me to about 5 different hotels close to over to Chocolate City side. The last hotel I went to was a hotel where look like some hut. Some like a hut business. And it wasn't cheap either, $300 a night. Them said them have no vacancy. Everywhere me go, no vacancy. 5 hotels. Me said to Katy, say, you know what? Carry me back to mine.